And they called it puppy love. Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart, how it really feels, and why I love her so. And they called it puppy love, just because we're 17. Something all hopeless suddenly to fail, to take away my only dream. I cry, it's like it's tears for you. My tears are all in vain. I hope and pray that maybe someday you'll be back,
You'll be back
in my arms once again.
You'll be back in my arms once again.
Someone help me, help me, help me, please. Yes, the answer is up above. How can I ever tell them this is not a puppy love? Someone help me, help me, help me, please. Is the answer up above? How can I tell them this is not a puppy love?